Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 8 Reevesmere Lane in North Ajax. This gorgeous executive freehold townhome is built by Tribute Homes in the Imagination Enclave. It has tons of spectacular features throughout, and I can't wait for you to see the entire tour. Let's head on inside and have a look. This modern layout offers a spacious family living and dining here on the main floor. We have 9-foot ceilings and laminate wood flooring throughout. Your eat-in kitchen offers quartz counters and backsplash with stainless steel appliances and a view of your Juliette balcony overlooking the family, perfect for entertaining. Your oak staircase leads to the second floor. We have a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Your primary offers a wall-to-wall closet space with an ensuite bath and views of your backyard. Your professionally finished walkout basement makes for the perfect home office or 4th bedroom or even just an additional rec space. If you'd like to book a private tour or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.